Hi, I'm George Kosmidis from the non-profit organization Active Citizens. Greece faces high rate of unemployment, especially in the countryside, where people lack both money and the facilities to educate themselves in computer skills, while there is a growing demand in the job market for people with information and communication technology skills. We tend to train these people to use Microsoft programs and the internet so that they can enrich their CVs, improve their skills and use internet in order to find a job. We ask your support in $100,000 cash and software so that we can create, for first time in Greece, a mobile training center that will travel from place to place with low cost. Our experienced staff, coupled with the know-how we have from our existing training programs, will help us achieve our goals. With your support, we can take computer skill training even further in the most faraway areas of Greece and fight unemployment.